Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial here in Belgium, Wisconsin. How we doing? Check out this big hog of a machine we just got. This is a big old GENERAC. This machine here puts out 600 kW of 277 480 volt 3-phase. We are a used generator dealer here in the state of Wisconsin. We sell these things all over the country. We buy them all over the country. So if you have a machine for sale, we want to hear from you. If you're looking for a 3-phase about 600 kW machine, look no further. Ladies and gentlemen, this machine here was new in 2003. To date has, I believe, around 1,100 original hours on it. It's pretty much a complete package. The only thing it doesn't have is sound attenuation in the enclosure itself. It's just a weatherproof enclosure, but it is nice. So it's a weatherproof, rain tight, everything like that. We've got an awesome 1,100 gallon base mounted fuel diesel tank on this thing. On the opposite side of the machine, you'll see the start and stop panel. We'll do a whole 360-degree pan for you. I'll also run the engine for you today. Two things. On that electronic service panel, there's a start and stop functionality panel right there. There's also a circuit breaker mounted right on the machine. Some come with, some don't. This one has a breaker. It's a 1,000 amp breaker. 480 volt, 600 kW will get you just shy of 1,000 amps of 480 volt 3-phase. So it has a breaker mounted right on it. I think it's got a Siemens start and stop panel on this thing. So what is it basically? It's a big 12-cylinder Daewoo engine turning a 1,800 RPM generator in, wired currently to produce 277 480 volt, approximately 600 kilowatts. So what else is there to say? I believe we got the muffler with this machine. I'll have to put that in the video because I don't remember on this particular one. But what you see is what you get. Enclosed base tank generator, electronic controls. Man, you know, I didn't notice if there was a battery charger in here yet. I'll have to look for that for you in just a second. But let's fire this thing up, blow some black smoke for you. That is it. If you have questions, I'd sure love to hear from you. Give me a shout here at the office, 262-476-5045, or check out our website at gibuys.com. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a machine for sale, please call me, Jeff Herrick, Green Industrial, 262-476-5045, or get on our website at gibuys.com. Thanks for watching. As always, save thousands. Buy used from Green Industrial today.